Hi there, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I am gonna show you how to change this default app launcher icon to our custom icon. In every phone, apps comes with either round shape icons or square shape icons. In my phone, you can notice that all the app icons are in round shape. In order to change this default icon to our custom icon, open resources, open mipmap. Under mipmap, we have two folders: IC Launcher, IC Launcher Round. In IC Launcher, we have square shape, same icons with different resolutions. All are square shape icons, but resolutions are different. In IC Launcher Round, we have round shape icons with different resolutions. Now we have to delete these default icons and replace with custom icons. In order to generate custom icons, open Google, search for launcher icon generator. Here we can choose image, clip art or text. Let me show you one by one. Here I am choosing image. Select any image. So this is my image. I can change my background. I am taking to white. I am giving padding as per my requirement. So this icon is round shape. I already told you IC launcher represents square type icons. So for this we have to choose here square. We can notice here it moving to circle to square. Same as choose clip art. We can take any image. We can change background. Same as go to text. We can select any letter here. A. Choosing background. Let me change. It's a background blue. I'm taking blue. The name should be same as manifest file. IC launcher. Let me open manifest file. IC launcher. The name should be same, otherwise our app will be crash. IC launcher. Once we customize our icon, I'm taking test here. Click on select all. Here we can see different resolutions icons: MDPI, HDPI, XHDPI. Like that, we have four resolutions icons. Now we have to download these 5 icons. I'm downloading here. Next, we have to select circle. The name should be round. ROUN. I'm just copying paste. Copy. So the name should be same. IC launcher round. Now downloading. Control X. Pasting here. Unzip these two folders. Let me plug in my charger. Once IC launcher. These are square type icons. These are round shape icons. Now we have to replace with the default ones. Right click, open in Explorer. So I am removing this one. So we have to delete these default icons and replace with the custom icons. So I'm direct going to the root folder. I'm deleting this one, no need of it. MDPI. MDPI. Removing this two. MDPI. Copy. Paste. Now I'm taking round one. MDPI. Now remove HDPI. This is MDPI. Sorry, before one is HDPI. Now I'm deleting this MDPI. One square, one round. Deleting these two. Three. Now taking fourth one. it's confusing. Let me download. Fourth one. Remove this two. Fourth one. Fifth one. Deleting this two. This is the last one. Let me check once. We have completed up to here. Now let me see. Right. Okay. Let me close all this. Now let me run our app first. This time it will be changed our default icon. It's loading. We have to wait until our app is launched. It is installing launching activity. Okay, let me click on back. Here you can see. Let me go back. Here we can see our custom icon. We have to keep these Play Store icons while uploading our app to Play Store. We have to keep aside. That's it for this video. If you really like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. That gives me do more videos like this. Thank you so much.